Hi, in this video I'll teach you how you can get the follow button on Facebook. As you can see right now, I can only add myself as a friend. However, this can change if we play around with the settings. So I'm just going to exit out of Facebook altogether and I'm going to load the app again. Okay, so this is what it should look like as soon as you enter the app. Now here we want to press on the three horizontal lines next to the notifications in the top right corner. And now we want to scroll down until we see settings and privacy. Press on settings and privacy. Now here select the second option which says privacy shortcuts. Okay, now that we're taken to this page, click on see more privacy settings. And here we want to scroll down until we see how people find and contact you, and here you want to press on who can send you friend requests. Just tap on it and we want to change this from everyone to friends of friends. Okay, that's the first thing that we needed to change. Now just press the back arrow again. Okay, so now that we're taken back to this menu, this time we want to select settings. In here you want to search for a setting, so just tap on the search settings and type public, and the first option should be public posts. Click on it, and here you want to make absolutely everything public, like this. Public, everyone, public. And now if we go back, it should save the settings, and I'm just going to show you that it works. I'm going to go to my profile here. Exit out of this, click on the three dots, view as, and as you can see, now we have the option to follow. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.